You're watching Newsroom 365. My name is Amita Wadhwa. Won't be saying good afternoon because here the news that is coming in is not good at all as far as the heartbreak that is now concerned. That millions of Indians that have been affected is because Vinesh Fogart, who has been disqualified, and rooting for her, coming out in her support is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's put up a post coming out in support of Vinesh Fogart, where he is rooting for our champion, saying she's already a champion amongst champions. And of course, the setback that has hurt each and every one, the fans that today we were eagerly waiting for the final bout because Vinesh had secured a silver for India at least, and she was fighting for gold and coming so close when it comes to winning a medal. It was snatched, and here is as far as the developments in the last an hour or that has now come across when it comes to Vinesh Fogart being so close of winning a gold. She was disqualified, and from the bout today that she was to play, as she was found around approximately 100 grams overweight, and during the weigh-in ahead of the women's 50 kg and final, the Paris final that would be taking place, but there is no medal now coming in the way for Vinesh Fogart. This is absolutely disappointing in the way as far as this news that has been coming in. It's devastating. We have Arunil with us. We have Karishma with us. She's joining us from Paris. Karishma, this is something that we couldn't believe still in the newsrooms when this news came in of Vinesh Fogart being disqualified. We thought that it cannot be true. Exactly what may have happened that may have led to a disqualification, because the rules are very, very strict there.
Well, Amita, what we are breaking right now is PM spoke to the IOA President PT Usha and sought first-hand information from PT Usha on the issue. The options India has in the wake of Vinesh's setback. He asked her to explore the full range of options to help Vinesh's case. He also urged PT Usha to file a strong protest regarding her disqualification if that helps Vinesh. So this is what the PM has done. He has tweeted in support of Vinesh Fogart. He's also spoken to the IOA President PT Usha and told her to file a strong protest, do whatever it takes. If there's any way we can help Vinesh Fogart, we can help her fight her final bout, because remember, she's just 100 grams overweight. That is what we have been given to understand. So now the PM also stepping into action to try and help Vinesh, because this is a setback that is not being easily acceptable to anyone.
India actually lodge a protest, and can Vinesh actually play the final bout? I mean, what are the possibilities that we are looking at, Karishma?
Well, Amita, if we were to go by the rules of the UWW, then Vinesh cannot play the final bout. She will not even get a silver medal. She will, in fact, be ranked last in the UWW rankings, and she will not be eligible for any medal, and there will be no silver medal that will be given out, only gold and silver. There can be no appeal, no protest to this decision is what we're given to understand as far as the UWW rules go. And the IOA also obviously making an official statement after weighing in all the options, after seeing whether there can be any legal route that they can take, whether they can file an appeal, whether they can protest this. But for what I know from my sources is that there can be no appeal to this. So we'll have to really wait and see if there's anything that the IOA can do now that the PM has also stepped in.
Right. So what exactly are the rules that are followed, especially for an athlete who is competing as far as the finals there is concerned? When it comes to maintenance of the weight, this is something that Vinesh Fogart, being a champion, there are coaches as well. There is an entire team. How would have happened that we found just that she is only 100 grams overweight? Karishma? All right, just losing that line with Karishma. She's reporting live from Paris. And of course, Aruni, what a heartbreak this has been. Ever since this news came in, it's devastating. But here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi on part of India. How can we actually lodge a protest as far as for Vinesh Fogart is concerned? Because this is a heartbreak that has affected all of us. And Vinesh Fogart, of course, is a champion, and she continues to be the pride of India.
Well, certainly yes, and PM Modi showing the way of how we should treat our champions. But here as well, Vinesh Phogat, who was basically a hero yesterday, how she defeated Yuki Sasaki from Japan, who basically boasted an unprecedented record. Yuki Sasaki, in the earlier 82 bouts that she had fought in the wrestling arena, on the wrestling match, she had never lost. 82-0 was her record, and Vinesh Phogat, in the dying moments of that bout, basically defeated her strong Japanese rival, and then she basically had become she was the first Indian women wrestler to play the final bout, to play the gold medal match. Unfortunately, in fact, it is heart-wrenching that she is found to be only overweight, that also by a mere 100 grams. PM Modi basically tweeting in solidarity with Vinesh Phogat, saying that you are champions of champions. When you return back also, we will be rooting for you, because as Indians we all should stand strong with Vinesh Phogat. Certainly it is not her mistake. However, one interesting point was being mentioned by the legendary Indian boxer Vijender Singh when he was speaking to Times Now. He basically said that he has never seen anything of this sort. Be in any contact sport, the weight category is extremely paramount, and Vinesh Phogat was contesting in the 50 kg weight category, found to be only 100 grams above. Vijender Singh is sensing conspiracy in this, is sensing a negative backlash from the organizing body against the Indian wrestler, Indian grappler in this case, that is Vinesh Phogat, and how the Indian Olympic Association is going to move from here. What are the decisions they are going to take? All eyes will be on that as well. As Karishma was pointing out, that PM Modi himself had a word with PT Usha, who is leading the India's Olympic contingent in Paris. How the Indian team is going to handle this situation, it is going to be very, very significant. Also, with respect to Vinesh Phogat's achievements are concerned, we all remember during the last Olympics as well, how she had suffered a freak, unfortunate injury on the wrestling mat, and she had to be carried away from the bout. She was basically in tears at that time, and imagine the kind of disappointment will be there for her, for her team as well. They were jubilant after the victory against the strong Japanese rival, that is Sasaki yesterday. The kind of jubilation that was shown by Vinesh Phogat as well as her coach basically showcased that how much the victory mattered to them, how much this medal basically mattered to Vinesh Phogat on a personal level. As Karishma was also pointing out, she has achieved everything on the wrestling front. One Commonwealth Games medal, one Asian Games medal. However, the Olympics medal was eluding her. This was the best match. She had reached the final. The silver was assured, but unfortunately she is 100 grams overweight and she is disqualified now. Extremely heart-wrenching. One question also arises on the team that is handling Vinesh Phogat, because Vijender Singh said that people who are in contact sport, for them reducing 5 to 6 kgs only in a day is not so difficult. They have done it in the past. So how this question arises, that is baffling to him. That is what Vijender Singh said.
Was there any possibility of more time being given so that she could shed those extra grams? Because Arunil, that's the point. It needs an incredible effort from the wrestler to maintain her weight, to keep competing in women's 50 kg category over the last few months. She's competed in other over 50 kg categories as well. It becomes incredibly difficult for a wrestler to maintain such kind of weight.
Well, certainly yes. Until now, Vinesh Phogat used to contest in the 53 kg weight category. Only after she suffered an injury recently, she changed her weight category to the 50 kg group. Maintaining the weight becomes very difficult, but we need to understand and also remember that this is Olympics, the pinnacle of world sports. And when you're competing at the level of Olympics, being 100 grams overweight as well, technically at least it is his disqualification. Whether the Indian Olympic Association is sensing any conspiracy, any wrongdoing in this, and they are going to protest on that front, that again will be very significant to note over here. In fact, some of the wrestlers that I've been speaking to, they also said that all efforts were made by the team of Vinesh Phogat yesterday, last night in fact, to ensure that she maintains her weight within the 50 kg criteria. Till Tuesday, till yesterday, she was under the 50 kg criteria. However, unfortunately, today she is found to be 100 grams overweight, and it is extremely heart-wrenching. Imagine a case wherein a wrestler basically prepares for 4 years. Last Olympics also, she was one of the favorites.
This was the final bout, and she had secured the silver. She was fighting for gold, and this is something that was to happen 100%. But, you know, she was close enough for fighting the final bout. But, you know, such devastating, news update that is now coming. Tetri is with us. She is surrounded when it comes to the well-wishers and the family of Vinesh Phogat. We cannot imagine. I mean, we are all heartbroken at the news that is coming, Tetri. Can't imagine that what Vinesh must be going through, her team must be going through, or her family must have been going through.
Absolutely, it is very heartbreaking, and in fact these are all those people who have seen Vinesh growing, Vinesh practicing and winning other matches also, and that is what they are questioning, so as to how just within one day her weight increased of within few grams. And we'll just speak to them. आप यही सवाल उठा रहे हैं कि कैसे एक रात के अंदर कुछ ग्राम्स उसका वजन जो है वो बढ़ गया।
जी बिल्कुल, कल की जिस जो फाइट देखी थी वो बहुत अच्छी थी, और 3 फाइट जीतने के बाद 3 जो फाइट हुई उनको अभी तो वजन हुआ है, और अब जो है उनका वजन 100 ग्राम ज्यादा कर दिया गया और उसको डिस्क्वालीफाई किया। इससे हमारे अंदर बहुत ही दुख है और पूरा देश इसके लिए दुखी।
बचपन से आपने विनेश को जो है खेलते हुए देखा है, अभी भी सोशल मीडिया पर चल रहा है कि वो एक शेरनी है, किसी योद्धा से कम नहीं है। आपको लगता है कि इस तरह की बात कभी विनेश के साथ हो सकती थी? कभी आपको ऐसा लगा था?
नहीं, ये कोई साजिश मिलेगी, इस पे कोई साजिश पाएगी इसके साथ।
साजिश लगती है।
हाँ,
साजिश लगती है, साजिश है।
अच्छा, प्रधानमंत्री ने भी बात की है पीटी उषा से और उनको कहा है कि इसका कड़ा विरोध करे, और जितना जहां पर भी वो जा सकते हैं वहां पर जहां पर भी विरोध कर सकते हैं, इसको लेकर उसे जायज तरह से इसका विरोध किया जाए।
विरोध की बात यह है जी, ये तो संदक देखता है, वो ब्रजभूषण था, आज वो उसका को नहीं रहा, उसके आदमी तो वहाँ और भी हैं, पुराने लगा कहो सरकार है।
किसके?
ब्रजभूषण को पहले ये इनका आंदोलन चला था, वो तो उनको देखना नहीं चाहते, अब ये आज कैसे आ गई, और सब मिली भगत से 150 ग्राम का क्या वजन हो से 2-3 वो लकड़ लिया मैच, उसमें को नहीं बढ़ा। आज उनने वो एकदम बढ़ा की मैच और वो कर दिया।
आपको लगता है कि जी इसमें सरकार को इसमें कड़े रूप से हस्तक्षेप करना चाहिए?
करना चाहिए बिल्कुल, साजिश करना चाहिए।
खिलाफ या पूरा विरोध प्रदर्शन
करना चाहिए जी, ओलंपिक का विरोध करना चाहिए हिंदुस्तान में। एक बार श्रीलंका और ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्रिकेट का मैच हो रहा था, तब यो मुरलीधरन है, इसके एक्शन पर वो उठा दिया था ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंपायरों ने, तो श्रीलंका ने उनके 3 वनडे मैच थे, उनसे बगावत कर दी, फिर उन्होंने माफी मांगी और 3 मैच खिलाए थे।
पूरा देश आज विनेश के साथ खड़ा है।
आज तक किसी के साथ ये कहानी को नहीं हुई है, अब तक हम तो नहीं सुने अभी किसी खिलाड़ी के साथ वजन 5 से ज्यादा होगा, और पहले ठीक था। ये मिली भगत।
आज तक कभी विनेश के साथ किसी भी मैच में ऐसा आज तक हुआ?
आज तक नहीं हुआ,
किसी और प्लेयर के साथ भी नहीं हुआ अब तक जो ये काम होया।
3 फाइट हो रही, वेट तो पहले भी हुआ है जी, 3 फाइट हो रही, अब फाइनल में ये साजिश के तहत हुआ है।
आप लोगों के किसी की बात हुई उनके परिवार वालों से या फिर विनेश से?
नहीं, कल ही उनके भाई से बात हुई थी, तो सब कुछ अच्छा बता रहे थे, और पूरी गोल्ड की उम्मीद थी हमें।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
कल रात तक कितनी बजे तक आपसे बातचीत हुई थी, और कब तक आपको जानकारी मिली थी कि सब ठीक है?
12 बजे के करीब।
12 बजे के करीब?
हाँ, बड़े भाई महावीर से बातचीत हुई थी उनकी, तब तक सब ठीक था, लेकिन बाद में ये साजिश रची गई है। और ये लड़की बड़ी बहादुर लड़की है, बालकपन से मेहनत करती है, इसके समान हिंदुस्तान में तो कोई लड़की है ही नहीं, ये इतनी बहादुर है, बगैर हौसला तोड़ने वाली। और ये, हाँ, और ये सब साजिश है जी, ओलंपिक के अंदर भी साजिश चलती है।
सर, एक नहीं करोड़ों लोगों के लिए ये एक इंस्पिरेशन है विनेश की, किस तरह से वो वहां पर पहुंची है, अपने मेहनत के दम पर, अपने बलबूते पर वो वहां पर पहुंची है। और ऐसे मुकाम पर आकर ऐसे होना वाकई में कई सारे सवाल भी जो है वो खड़े करता है।
बिल्कुल, हमें बड़ी तकलीफ है और बड़ी बड़ी साजिशें हो सकती है। साजिश करने वाला इंसान ही तो है, कोई बड़ी चीज थोड़ी है। तो इसमें साजिश है 100%। आप
लोगों की क्या मांग है बताओ, और उसके रिश्तेदारों के तौर पे, उसके गांव वालों के तौर पे, बचपन से बड़े होते हुए आपने देखा है।
होना चाहिए और इसको इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए। जो सही तो सोचे तो माने ना। इस देश में क्या नहीं हो सकता, सब कुछ हो सकता है। और ये रोज होने लग रहा है। गैर अत्याचार होया था, जंतर मंतर पर बैठी थी, पुलिस खच्ची अंडे थी, वो झूठ बोल रहे थे। और फिर इसका कितना टाइम आंदोलन में खराब होया, और फिर भी अपनी मेहनत करके ये मेडल का करीब पहुंच गई। और फिर उन्होंने इस पर और अटैक लगा दिया।
अभी आखिरी सवाल ये आपसे कि प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा है पीटी उषा से कि इसका कड़ा विरोध करे, जितना हो सके उतना कड़ा विरोध करे, जितना जायज हो सके उतना विरोध करे।
पीटी उषा क्यों करे? प्रधानमंत्री करे, बाहर जाके इकट्ठा आदमी कर लेता है जय मोदी जय मोदी। तो अब कहाँ है मोदी? मोदी को अपनी जान लगानी चाहिए और उनको सोचने पर मजबूर करना चाहिए। ये साजिश
का विरोध करना चाहिए।
Olympic का विरोध। These are the close family members of Vinesh Fogart who have seen her growing, and in fact they demand that government should strictly intervene in this entire matter, and they also demand that strict action should be taken.
The intervention may have happened as far as Prime Minister making that call there and looking at if there are any other possible options that could be taken up. Let me go across to Swati for that as Tetri and Arunil continue to be with us. Yes, Swati.
Well, multiple reactions coming in on social media. Olympian Abhinav Bindra says completely gutted. Sometimes you don't need a gold medal to be a true champion to people. Then you have a reaction coming in from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, who remember was also the Sports Minister during the previous term. He says, "Dear Vinesh, you've always been a beacon of hope and pride for India. Today's setback is a tough pill to swallow, but it's in these moments that your true strength shines. Your resilience has always been your greatest ally. I remember watching your journey filled with unwavering dedication. We believe in you, Vinesh. India stands with you, cheering you on every step of the way." You have a tweet by Amit Malviya as well. He says, "The news of Vinesh Fogart's disqualification at the Paris Olympics is devastating." Now, Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party is asking the government to intervene. Sanjay Singh says, "Bharat Sarkar turant hastakshep करे, अगर बात नहीं मानी जाए तो ओलंपिक का बहिष्कार करे." So that's Sanjay Singh. He is responding to the development, saying that if the matter is not accepted, if they do not accept India's matter, then the government needs to boycott Olympics. You have another reaction coming in from Randeep Singh Surjewala is asking some questions. देश के सीधे सवाल, saying this is what the country is asking. कौन है जिससे विनेश फोगाट की जीत हजम नहीं हुई? किसने हरियाणा और देश की बेटी के पीठ में छुरा घोंपा? Who betrayed Vinesh? किसने किया ताकत का बेजा इस्तेमाल? Is asking who has misused, abused power? किसका चेहरा बचाने की हुई कोशिश? Then you have a reaction coming in from Sanjay Jha. The angle of conspiracy is also being echoed by many. Sanjay Jha says, and he's in fact questioning the entire team, the support staff of Vinesh Fogart. What was the entire team in the Indian Olympic Association doing? Wasn't it their job to periodically monitor Vinesh's dietary and water consumption to ensure 100% that Vinesh was within a safe weight range of outer tolerance limits? This is sad and bizarre. So these are the reactions coming in on social media on this devastating development.
Absolutely.